From ancient China to today's World Cup, the soccer ball has come a long way. Ready to explore its incredible evolution? Picture this, ancient China, 300 BC. The game of Cuju used a leather ball stuffed with feathers. Fast forward to the 19th century, and Charles Goodyear invents the vulcanized rubber ball, while H.J. Lindon creates an inflatable rubber bladder. These innovations kick-started the modern soccer ball. Now let's talk tech. In Sialkot, Pakistan, craftsmen make the finest footballs in vibrant shades used in top tournaments like the FIFA World Cup and UEFA Champions League. Today's balls have thermal bonding for a seamless surface, aerodynamic panels for better flight, and even embedded sensors to measure speed and spin. They're designed for optimal touch, durability, and performance in any weather. While today's high-tech wonders showcase the soccer ball's true evolution. So next time you watch a match, remember the incredible journey behind every kick. And let's not forget the players who make the game magical, like Messi from Argentina, Ronaldo from Portugal, and Salah from Egypt. Subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories from the world of science and sport.